Hello all, welcome to the Data Future channel. I am Shekhar and I am a data scientist. Today we are going to see a very important topic, that is machine learning. So in this session we will see how machine learns, okay, and in the latter sessions we will see how these three terms, the artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, uh, these things are different from one another. Yes, these three concepts are interconnected, but we cannot mix these three terms, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So in this session we are going to see the concept of machine learning. Okay, yes. Now the whenever we say it's a learning, machine learning, so there are two important aspects in the machine learning. First, the machine learns through a data. Very important. The machine learns through a data. Now, already in the earlier sessions, we have seen what do you mean by data. Data is statistics information which is collected, stored in the digital format is called as the data. So data can be anything. That may be Excel files, CSV format, or we can say it's audio files, video files, text, words, like this. Okay, data may be structured, unstructured. Okay. Now second one is the algorithm. So algorithm is very important part of the machine learning, and these algorithms are called as the engines of machine learning. These are called as the engines of machine learning. Okay, why it is called engines? Because these algorithms converts a data into a machine learning model. Okay, so whenever you say it's an algorithm, so this algorithm converts a data. That data may be anything, that may be structured or unstructured, which converts into a machine learning model. And this model helps us for the prediction, classification, clustering, or recognition. Okay, or analyzing the patterns. Okay, so we will see that. Now the algorithms, what do you mean by algorithms? The algorithms are a computer implementable instruction to solve problems or to perform a computation. Very simple. What do you mean by algorithm? Algorithm is computer implementable instructions. Yes, and these instructions are for what? To solve a problem or to do a computation. Okay, so yes, whenever we are talking about the machine learning, the first thing is the data is there, the machine learns from the data, and second one is the algorithm. So algorithm is called as the engines of the machine learning, and the input to this algorithm is data, and from the algorithm we will get a machine learning model. Okay, so this is the one part. Second one, we will see how the traditional programming and machine learning, these two concepts. Okay, in traditional programming what happens? So whenever we say it's a traditional programming, okay, is a traditional programming. So in traditional programming, we give a data and we provide a program. Okay, and we do, it is given to the computer, then the output from this is a result. What we want is the result, is the solution, we can say. This is the traditional programming. But in machine learning approach, we'll say it's a machine learning approach, where we can see there is a data. Yes, there is a data, but we have to provide what is a desired results. We will see it's a desired results which are provided to this computation system, and what we get output as a program or a model. We will see machine learning model, we can say. And whenever a new data comes, and whenever this new data is given to this program, it will give you, or it has the ability, it has this program or this model has the ability to predict without explicitly programming this model. Okay, means what? After this, once we get this output from this, we need not program this explicitly, but it will gives us a desired results. Okay, so this how this machine learning approach works. So we provide a data, we provide a results what we want to this. So this machine, or we'll say it's a machine learns through this data and the results and creates a program or a model. Okay, and this model is now ready to make the predictions, okay, or for the recognition, to analyze the patterns and many things. Okay, and what is here? Here is a algorithm. Okay, algorithm, whenever we get this, there is a model, machine learning model. So data, and data is these results are again considered as a data. So this is the training data. Okay, and this is the output, we can say. We'll give the input as well as the output, we combine with the algorithm, and then the output from this system is a model, and this model helps us to predict. Okay, helps to predict. So how this machine learning works? Okay, yes, now there are so many definitions we see for the machine learning. Okay, so that definitions are these definitions are giving the same meaning for this particular type of the learning approach of the machine. Okay, we can see. So this machine learning term, this term is first coined by Arthur Samuel, who is American, was working in IBM, and is in the year 1959, and he is called as the pioneer of artificial intelligence as well as the computer gaming. Okay, basically a computer gaming. So Arthur Samuel used this term as a machine learning. Okay, so whenever we teach a machine with a particular algorithm, okay, with that algorithm it can gives the desired output. So this term is given by Arthur Samuel, and who was working with IBM in 1959 and is a pioneer of computer gaming. Okay, so let us start with the first definition. There are number of definitions are there. The first definition, which is very yes, the first definition is a study of this machine learning is nothing but, so I'll say it's a definition number 1. Okay, it's a study of computer algorithms that can improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. That is very important. So machine learning is, I'll say in short, machine learning is a study of computer algorithms that can improve automatically through experience and by the data. This is the first definition. Second, we will see second definition is what machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Yes, now these are two terms are interconnected. So machine learning is subset of artificial intelligence that uses statistical learning algorithms, to build a system that have ability to automatically learn and improve from performance improve from performance without explicitly programmed. Okay, so a very important term is it uses what statistical learning algorithms, and which builds a system means it builds a model which can learn and improve from the performance without explicitly program. So no need to programming afterwards is required. Once the model is created, that model is used for the prediction. Okay. Another definition is there. Okay, so I'll write in short. Definition number 3 is what the machine learning is the subfield of ML is a subfield of what? AI. Yes, subfield of AI, where a system means a machine have ability to learn through what? Data. That is very important. Statistics, trial and error, very important, in order to what? In order to optimize the processes. Yes, in order to optimize the processes and in very less time. So whatever we have to optimize this process means come out with the solution in very less time, we can say. And again the same definition, which learns through data. Statistics means same data. Trial and error, continuously it takes the feedback and improves the performance. Okay, we can correct it in order to optimize the process. So we have to optimize the process. Okay, and in quicker rate. With quicker rate means at very short time span. Yes, another very the definition which I like most, which is practical one. So I'll show that. Yes, the very practical definition of machine learning. So a machine learning is all about, it is all about, next one is very important, a creation and implementation of algorithms that let machine receives the data and use that data to make, first one, to make predictions, analyze pattern, or give recommendations. Yes, so this is very a simple definition, and it's very practical definition of machine learning. So whatever is the misconception of the machine learning is there. So some people consider AI is the machine learning, but no. So whenever we say machine learning, it is nothing but a data and the algorithms. Yes, so we'll repeat this definition. This is my favorite definition. It is all about creation and implementation of what? Algorithms. So algorithms means what? Algorithms are nothing but a set of instructions which are computer implementable. Okay, these instructions which are given for what purpose? For the computation purpose, or to carry out a certain type of task. Okay, so that through this the late machine receives, so machine receives the data as the input and use that data for what? To make predictions. Okay, so we can predict it, whether we can classify or we can forecast it, some target variables, analyze the patterns, whether there is a certain type of grouping we can do, or the clustering that can be carried out, or to give the recommendations, the recommendation systems that are used in YouTube, then Spotify and Amazon. So like this. So machine learning is this all about data and the algorithms. Okay, yeah. Now the last part we are going to see is where this machine learning we can find the applications. Okay, so it finds the application in the prediction. So if you want to forecast sales or price of the product, price of house, or whether we can use for the classification, we can predict whether the person is having a cancer or not, whether based on his information. So whether the person is a loyal customer or not for the bank, according to bank data, or it can be used for email filtering, it can be used for the recommendation systems. A recommendation system most of the times used for Amazon, YouTube, Spotify to provide the recommendations. Then it can be used for the clustering, so we can make the different clusters of documents, websites, or customers, so that we can launch some campaign. There is a speech recognition is also there. So computer vision, there are so many applications of machine learning which we use in our day-to-day life. Okay, so in next section we will see what is the difference between a machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. Thank you.